and it's so
Right.
easy to store.
Matter of fact, this is exactly how it comes to you. It comes to you 100% assembled. The only assembly you do is attaching which accessory you want, and all the accessories are a pin system. So all you're going to do is really let the Total Gym slide open, just like that. And then there's two pins. There's a green pin, or whatever matches your board. So if you're gonna get the blue one, there'll be a blue pin. If you're with the green one, the green pin. And both have the black pin. I'm gonna pull the black pin first, and that's gonna release my center column all the way up. Now you're ready to get started. What level are you gonna choose? You pull the green pin and you lift it up. If you're just starting, you might wanna start down at level 2 or 3. Because remember, no matter what DVD, what YouTube channel, what Total Gym TV that you use, you can do every single exercise because you're adjusting the weight. Because a bicep curl doesn't change whether you do it on level 7 or whether you do it all the way up to level 12 or 10. And you can hear it. Like, this is a solid machine.
Yeah.
This holds up to 450 pounds. Again, if you ever visit me at my studio, this is exactly the units that I have in my studio. Now, if you do need to put it away, it's the same thing. You just you take the bar all the way down to the bottom, you pull that black pin. I like to just straddle it, and that's it. And then you decide, are you gonna do the ab crunch accessory? Are you gonna start with your squats? Are you gonna start with your pull-ups, your chin-ups? Or are you just gonna attach that cable and go through a cable workout with me? Because Denise, I